The pricing of the iPhone 15 Pro Max is now out, and I have some bad news for those who are considering purchasing the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Apple is going crazy with the upgrades of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and every update has its implications. The pricing of the 15 Pro Max is more than the iPhone 14 Pro Max when Apple's iPhone 15 lineup goes into commercial production in August. In the US, it will cost $1,099, but unexpectedly, in the European market, it will cost you €1,449, a significant increase from the previous year. The iPhone 15 Pro Max will, according to the source, offer a few unique features that aren't present on the iPhone 15 Pro. Then, if you're looking for a way to get your money's worth, you can't beat the price of a good book. The greatest update you'll see this year will be the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which will have a 4,852 mAh battery compared to a 4,323 mAh battery on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The iPhone 15 will have a 3,877 mAh battery compared to a 3,279 mAh battery on the iPhone 14. The battery life of any other Android smartphone cannot possibly match that of the iPhone 15 Pro Max with these new figures and the power efficiency of a new chip. A downside to getting a bigger battery is that the phones will be thicker than previous generations. Yes, Apple devices are already too heavy, so the larger battery simply added to their already excessive weight. Additionally, the Lightning cable will be replaced this year by a USB Type-C on the iPhone 15 lineup. Did you know that Apple is releasing the iPhone 15 Pro with a new color option? Whereas there had been rumors that Apple was pursuing a new deep red color, Basil claims that this is not likely to materialize and that a new color, a dark blue that was previously utilized in the iPhone 15 Pro prototype, has leaked online. A new update for the iPhone 15 Pro Max's display is included with this. The max brightness is currently unknown since it is already at 2000 nits, but we may still expect to get an update. Where we looked, we saw an extremely thin bezel that had never been seen before. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.